Samsung has just introduced the new Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. And naturally, the big question is, how much better are they compared to the Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro? In this quick review, we'll focus only on the main differences and the real upgrades that actually matter in daily use, from design changes to sound quality and new features, so you can quickly decide whether it's worth upgrading or not. Let's get started. When Samsung launched the new Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro, many users immediately started comparing them with the previous Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. On paper, they look similar, but in real use, there are some meaningful upgrades that make the new model feel more refined. Starting with the design, the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro clearly look more premium. Samsung has moved to a flatter blade-style stem with a brushed metal finish, which gives the earbuds a cleaner and more modern appearance. The Buds 3 Pro had a more plastic look with LED accents that many users found a bit flashy. The new model also adds a small tactile groove on the stem, making pinch controls easier to find without looking. Overall, the Buds 4 Pro feels slightly smaller, more elegant, and better built. Comfort is also improved. Samsung says the new fit was refined using millions of ear scan data points, and early impressions suggest the Buds 4 Pro sit more securely with less ear fatigue during long listening sessions. The Buds 3 Pro were already comfortable for most people, but the newer pair aims to be more universally stable. Sound quality is where the real upgrade begins to show. Both earbuds use a dual driver setup, but the Buds 4 Pro now feature a slightly larger 11mm woofer and a redesigned 5.5mm planar tweeter. This new tuning delivers more focused bass and cleaner separation compared to the Buds 3 Pro, which sometimes sounded a bit bass-heavy with slightly sharp highs. In everyday listening, the Buds 4 Pro simply sound more balanced and controlled, especially on modern music and podcasts. They also support Samsung's 24-bit, 96 kHz high-quality audio when paired with compatible Galaxy devices. Active noise cancellation has also been refined. The Buds 4 Pro use enhanced adaptive ANC that adjusts in real time based on your surroundings. While the Buds 3 Pro already had strong ANC, the new model is designed to reduce unwanted noise more intelligently while still letting important sounds like sirens come through when needed. In daily use, the difference may not be massive, but frequent travelers and commuters will notice the improvement. Call quality is another area Samsung worked on. The Buds 4 Pro introduced dual-band Bluetooth support for clearer voice transmission, aiming to capture a wider frequency range of your voice. This should make calls sound more natural, especially in noisy environments. The Buds 3 Pro were already decent for calls, but the new model is built to be more reliable for work and meetings. Connectivity gets a quiet but important upgrade too. The Buds 4 Pro moved to Bluetooth 6.1 compared to Bluetooth 5.4 on the Buds 3 Pro. This mainly improves connection stability, efficiency, and device switching, rather than dramatically changing audio quality. Battery life, however, remains basically the same on both models, offering around 6 hours with ANC on and up to 30 hours with the case, so don't expect longer listening time from the new generation. So, should you upgrade? If you already own the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro and you're happy with the sound, there is no urgent need to switch. They are still very capable premium earbuds. But if you want better tuning, a more premium design, and the latest connectivity, the Galaxy Buds 4 Pro are clearly the more polished and future-ready choice. For new buyers, the newer model is the smarter pick. The Buds 3 Pro were good, but the Buds 4 Pro finally feel refined,